Skybirds. Skybirds. Giant skybirds. We're not in Mongolia, but there's so many skybirds flying right now. Okay, so today we're going to replace this old Honeywell Mercury we have thermostat. 65-year-old furnace and about a 25 to 30-year-old Honeywell thermostat we're going to replace. It looks like there's just a black and white wire. I got the two wires out. I'm going to strip them a little bit, make them clean, cut them off a little bit. Okay, so we connected the black wire to the R, the white wire to the W. We mounted the nest. Here's the face plate. I'm going to put that on, see what happens. Okay, so I've got the nest back on the plate. Now I'm going to turn on the power switch. Okay, I'm here at the furnace, at the switch, and I'm going to turn on the power switch. Okay, so I got the menu. I attached it to the base. It asked to attach to the base. Now it's going to go through different setup modes, and I'll do that, and it did power on. I see the home button, and it is now powered on. Okay, please attach the display at the base, which I did. Okay, so now it is connecting to the internet. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I finally got the message that the thermostat is now connected. Now it's checking, so it's asking me what kind of furnace system do we have, and we have radiators with so there's heat. The Nest thermostat connected, and you can see it wasn't too hard to connect. They only had two wires. It's still connected. I tried using the Nest install app or help at nest.com/works. And I was probably chatting with somebody in the Philippines, and they're asking me about how to wire a gas furnace where in the Philippines they don't even have gas heat furnaces. So I don't know what good it is to have a chat line when you're chatting with somebody in the Philippines who would know about gas furnaces. But anyway, I did it myself without the helpline.